guys, this is that barangay bridge that we saw in Hoi Hoi in the distance. Just look at how this masterpiece. We're right in the dead center of the bridge. Yeah. We got the mountain view over there. Like that. Yeah, wow. Hello. Thank you. It's just amazing around here, guys. So look. They built this, and now finally it's finished. Wow. See. Yeah, guys. Finally on the bridge from Hoi Hoi. That was all the way in the distance over there. Yeah, that's a nice way to end our Philippines trip. Maybe tomorrow we find something else, but nearly is coming to an end, guys, unfortunately. But we will be coming back to the Philippines, especially Ozama City, to come and see our friends and family out here. So thank you everyone for watching so far, and I hope you join us all in the future and for our next vlogs. Thank you so much, guys. I'm really upset to leave this place. Don't want to go back to the UK. But thank you so much for everything. Love you all. Thank you so much. Hello, guys, and welcome to the final vlog of Ozama City, the final night we have here, unfortunately. But we are now at the prosperous park and the city hall of Ozama City. Yeah, Ozama Occidental. And then we're just gonna have a look around here because it's all lit up like Christmas lights, and I just want to show you all around and just see if you like it or not, if you would come here yourself, as I've said in all the other vlogs, and just show you the nice parts of the city. Okay, so I'll turn the video around right now. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let's turn around. And over here, that's the city hall right there. I'll zoom in. You got Zamis, that's Senso, City Hall. So this whole place is just lit up at night. There's food, street food, not much more. Loads of people gather here. There's friends, family, reunites everyone. As you can see right here, the street food. I'm sure there'll be like pork and lechon and different things, sausages in Sao.
Quick.
quick. And many other things. Look, guys. Lovely city hall. There's some people gathering here.
Hi.
Who's that?
My niece.
Let's go. Where's your mum gone? Oh. Well, where are the kids? Oh.
Say hi.
Yeah? Yeah?
Why are you going camera?
Yeah, you're not touching it.
Mama.
No.
Mama.
Hello, Mama. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Unfortunately, it's our last night with them, but we will see them again soon. So let's just continue around the park. Yeah, it's been a very sad day and night before, but it happens when you love somewhere, doesn't it? And you want to come back. So, but we're gonna have many more vlogs here next year. Also a marriage. So yeah, I'm gonna end it here right now, guys. Just until we enter the park a little bit more. But look, City Hall, right there. I'll see you in a minute. Zoom in here, guys. There's all street foods. Many families come to gather here, come and eat at night time. The same as where we were at the boulevard last night. Lovely street food. But look guys, it's all like Christmas lights here. It's a really nice place. You're driving past at night time, it makes you want to come in here and have a look around. They make the place just look beautiful. They're working hard on making the city great again. So shout out a senso to all of you. For my friends and family here in Azama City. Remember guys, please subscribe, please like, please comment, and hopefully you can just share this video to get it out to everyone. I'm trying to encourage tourists to come here more often, because it's not as bad as what they say it is. I can promise you that one. It's just like Christmas for months and months here. Look. It's beautiful. And look, there's the road just over there on Jollibee. Oh my god guys, if you've never tried Jollibee, you've definitely got to try Jollibee some other time. But we will walk over to the street food in a minute guys, and I'll show you what kind of food is on offer. Hey, hello Crystal.
Hello.
Hello. It's our last night here, isn't it? Say hello Ben. Ben, say hello. Ben, say hello.
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 Hello guys.
We'll just take a little walk around here, everyone, and the show. Look at it. Lights all up the tree, to the top, to the bottom. Yeah, everyone's just walking around. Hopefully we're going to get some people just saying hello. But look, over here, it's a lovely Jollibee. There's many of them around the city, so make sure you do try it. Look, it's just absolutely beautiful around here. But all the way along, got all these sort of lights on the pathways. Let's just go and see the lit up sign of Azama City just over here. So yeah guys, honestly, I'm very sad to leave this place. I don't want to leave it at all. I promised myself that I wouldn't, but unfortunately I've got to go back for Christmas school. It is what it is right now, but soon we will be living here, 100%. The city is not as bad as everyone makes it out to be. The people here are just absolutely amazing, friendly. They're always hospitality to you. They're always invite you into their home, welcome you. It's just crazy. So look, yeah, here you go. I'm going to turn the camera around right now. There's Azama City. They haven't got the other one lit up right here, but that says, this one here says Ascenso. Zoom out. So welcome guys to Azama City. My beautiful wife right there. So yeah. Every pathway, everywhere you look, it's just lights, lights, lights. And they got a statue here also. Skateboarders. And skateboarders all the way around the world. Hello. Hey, hello. Hello. Yeah. There's lights everywhere. See, look, people are just friendly, even skateboarders. Hang on, we're going to go back over here just quickly so we can see what everyone else is up to. So I will start the video again up in a minute. So right now guys, I'm now walking over to the street foods and hopefully we get some people to say hi to you, to the camera. There's a lot of shy people here. So let's just see what they have on offer. And go along. Yeah. I'll turn the camera around now. Lechon, lechon?
Yes.
And guys, you need to come here. The lechon is the most favourite thing here in the Philippines.
Hi sir, lechon.
Hello, hello. I love lechon. I'm just encouraging more tourists to come to Azamis, yeah. Anyway, nice to meet you. We got smoothies and drinks, sodas, fruit sodas. What's up? Hello. We've got many meats, livers, kidneys, chicken. Okay. We've got fruits over here. Hello, hello. Just filming. Encouraging more tourists to come to Azamis from all over the world. Okay? And they wrap rice in these little things here. In shape. Hello. We got more here. Fresh buko. There's coconut. Hello, sir. How are you? We've got things here. There's a fish. Hello, sir. And I think this one is fried chicken. We've got fried chicken. Yummy fried chicken. Look, it's very cheap. 30 pesos for a single, 40 with rice, and 70 with a drink. Hello. And over here they got more like intestines and liver, pork, yeah, many things. Got limes right there. They love lime. What is it?
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Chicken breast.
Wow, and then we got hot dogs.
Hot dog.
Wow. There's a traditional barbecue. Look, chicken feet. You won't see that anywhere else in the world, eh? Yummy lammy kayo. So yeah guys, they say lammy kayo Yeah, it means delicious. Look, we've got the family looking.
Buy some?
They're gonna buy some.
Lami. Hi, oh.
Lammy. And look, they're cooking it here on a barbecue right here. Hello, sir. Cooking chicken. I'll try and zoom in because it's smoky. Move away. Move away. Oh yeah. And they wave it to keep it hot. Yeah, traditional barbecue, guys. It's everywhere here. Oh yeah. It's right outside the city hall. So guys, I thought I'd just show you around here for the last ever vlog in Azamas for the year. Maybe I might come back sometime this year, I don't know yet. You know what England is like right now. So we will hopefully see you again here in 2026. And thank you for joining us here for all the series. And yeah, please like, subscribe and comment, guys. And I will see you soon.